Hello once again, I'm Sam Reichert. You're watching OBTVLive.com, your day planner forecast brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They're located at 5847 Getwell Road, Suite A8, across from the water tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. Before we talk about that day planner forecast, let's talk about the festivities this coming Saturday, April the 12th at Wild Birds Unlimited. It's their first anniversary celebration, and all kinds of things happening this Saturday at Wild Birds Unlimited. Today at 8 a.m. here, sunny skies, around 48 degrees, up to 55 and sunny at noon, 58 and sunny at 5 p.m. Our winds will be from the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Relax and enjoy the birds at Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven.